Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work and for my shop. So for the monthly spread, I'll show you what I did last month and similar to what I did in December as well. But for January, the way that I use the monthly spread is really specifically for my shop. And what I do is actually keep track of the important days of when I need to do certain things in the shop, important sales, things like that. And then down the side, I actually write down ideas for different stickers that I could be creating, things like that. And then I think down here, I'm also going to keep track of revenue, what I've, outgoings and things like that. So then for the month of February, it just seems fitting that I'm going to be using, oh, where are they? Some stickers from my shop, and this is from the Hearts collection. So I've got the Hearts deco here and the circles. This is all I have left because I use the other ones in my HOBONICHI cousin monthly spread, which you will see in tomorrow's video. So I'm gonna go ahead with those, as well as, where do I put them? Washi. All right, let's get started. So along with the stickers that I will be using today, I'm going to be using these two Tombow Duo brush pens, 761 and 757, and then just my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, and then my Sailor Pro Gear Slim that currently has Diatramentus black in it. It's just very basic black and it behaves so well. So I want to make sure that I actually use all of these. I saved these. I don't think I will end up using all of them. But just looking back to how I've used deco, I leave a lot of space. I do leave a lot of space because I know that I will use all of that space. So let's create kind of like a collage down here of the circles with the hearts. I actually don't want to use the same shade. That, and then with washi. And again, decoration in my monthly spreads is very minimal because I think that's the way I am with decoration nowadays as well. It's meant to act as an accent versus be the whole focus of the spread. Ooh, I like that. And then I will add, whoops, a circle here. I'm not normally a Valentine's Day person, so doing any type of hearts or Valentine's Day kit was a little out of my comfort zone for me. I'm going to mention this in my cousin video that's coming up tomorrow, but like my husband and I'm sure when we were first dating, we were definitely very affectionate and very, romantic, especially since we had a long distance relationship. And nowadays it's like we've been married for almost 14 years, and it's kind of like, it's not as if the romance has died, but it's more like we're best friends and we make each other laugh, and there's just a difference that, ooh, I really like that. Okay, so down the side here are going to go ideas, and I'm just going to highlight that with my Tombow Duo brush pen and then write in ideas. And I already have some, so I'm glad I'm decorating this now. Then an important date is the Made in Canada Planner Collab Sale. So that's taking place February 11th through the 13th. And it is the first big collaboration sale that I'm taking a part of. And the difference with this sale is that it features all Canadian shops. So for any Canadian planner people out there, if you're looking for specifically Canadian shops, the Made in Canada Planner collaboration sale is the one for that. So that'll be February 11th through the 13th. And I'm thinking that because of that, I don't know whether to put new releases out the week before so that people are ready for the sale, or to put new releases out the date. That's the thing, right? Which one do I do? So I'm still deciding that. And then, so I believe the Shopify payout is there, and then the Shopify bill is there. So writing those in, just making sure that it's correct. Payout and bill. Okay, then I feel like there's other things I need to remember as well. Those are really the main things that I put in here, and then I fill it out as I go. It's not more of a pre-planning type of thing. Although, because I don't know what day I want to put the new releases out, I think if I'm gonna, this is gonna be a different month because of the day the sale starts. I'm going to, yeah, this is a tough one. If I do the new releases the week before to allow people to look through, or if I, because the sale is the whole weekend, you know, so what I think I'm gonna do is I will definitely send out, I'm gonna send out, oh, this is tough. Okay, so I'm gonna do the sale email here, and then, yeah, I will post new releases on the 10th, so that it allows people to have a chance to look through them, but it also still gives me time to be able to create them, print them off. And this is the thing, because it's my first big sale, I don't know how much to prep for it. Right now I am a print to order shop. When I did my August and September releases, I prepped so many sheets of stickers, and I still have some left. And to prevent wastage, I don't want to print up a whole bunch of stickers that don't end up selling. So right now, with the way that my shop is, it's a print to order. And that may change as, you know, volume goes up, but right now I am a print to order shop. But yeah, what else do I want to add in here? I don't really want to add more because it all depends on, well, let's see here. So the new releases go up, so then the listings need to go up the day before. So I need to do listings, and then the day before that I will take photos of the new releases, and then the day before that I'll have to print and cut them. Why was that so hard? And then, oh, as well, I will need to somewhere here assemble, what are they called? They're not the freebies, like the grab bags. And yeah, okay. So highlighting those, and then one of the things I also want to do then is finalize. So I will do that the weekend before and go from there. All right, so they gave you a little bit more of a behind the scenes to how I'm running my shop at the moment. But let's see, do I want to use the rest of these? Because what will go down here will be, I'm gonna do outgoings. I used this one a lot more than the other one. So outgoing. So that'll be things like postage, things like that. Number of orders. So then that's gonna be there. I have these stickers that I do want to use still though. So let's spread them out where I can. Why not? And I might actually save these two. Go figure. For all of that. And add a washi here. Sorry if this video is like all over the place, but this is also part of the creative process, is that my video is just me thinking through everything, whether it's still recording. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. All right, that is it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know that this video is a little bit all over the place, but it also takes you through like what goes on in my head. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this gave you guys an insight into how you can use the monthly spread in a Hobonichi weeks. Thanks again and have yourselves a great day.